Good morning everyone, it's Saturday morning and today I will start producing 4 bee-waxed canvas bags of this model. The leather details from wedge tan leather. It has 2 belt straps in front with easy snapping, so it's quick to open. Inside there's an inner lining with a divider and a separate pocket for the computer. There's also a pocket for with a zipper for coins or whatever that you want to stick. There are 2 large pockets in front connected with the magnets. There's also a pocket on the back where you can have magazines, etc. It's strengthened in the bottom with copper rivets, so the weight is carried from the bottom and not from the straps or directly into the canvas. There are 2 holders for when you have the strap around your shoulder. The weight is then distributed down to the bottom and also carried by the copper rivet. In the top there's a handle which is also attached with copper rivets. Underneath this leather part there's aluminium plate which distributes the weight when you carry the bag in the handle, which makes it stronger, and it also gives a good feeling when you carry it. I have cut out all the parts where you have the top and bottom part here, and you have the front, you have the pockets, you have the lids for the pockets, and you also have the sides. I have prepared with bee-wax, natural bee-wax, so everything is made from sustainable products. The next phase will be to start heating up the wax and start applying it to the canvas.